And we're underway. Rummenigge.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Now it's Drogba. David Villa. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. And that's put paid to a promising move. Heading backwards.
He had nobody else to help out there.
And that's really well manoeuvred. Pedri is offering some sort of an apology there.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
And that's been intercepted.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Drogba works it forward. And here's Drogba.
Well, both teams are proceeding with caution, but there's plenty of time to wait for some attacking purpose.
Now it's Eto'o. Decent progress down the left. And here's Hullet. Oh, lovely feed. He is such a good mover.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Well, that defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be.
I'm struggling to work out whether that was brave or a bit stupid. Maybe both, actually.
Shapes to shoot! Onana. Oh, and he's through the middle. Shot a goal! And he's done it! As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final ball was. It took the defence out of the equation for that split moment, and the damage was all done.
So the first goal of the game.
Well, I guess this ought to make things interesting, Peter. No doubt the opposition will now be forced to play a more open and riskier game.
And it's Drogba.
It looks very much like they'd be happy to settle for this narrow lead at the break.
Can he finish? Oh, taken with style. They're level in a trice.
Well, that's so refreshing. They went a goal down, and you never would have guessed it. Their reaction has been emphatic.
He won't get many simpler than that, but he's certainly not complaining.
Well, I admire players who do that, because they just don't give up on anything.
There will be 1 minute added time.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback, and this is thoroughly merited for me.
And the first 45 minutes are up. So half-time, and it is all square. Neither able to pull away from the other, but that is not due to any shortage of effort on either side. It's a goodish game, this, and at half-time, it's one each. That's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each. So we're straight back at it at the start of the second half. Changes made by neither side, from what we understand.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Messi. Quality ball.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
He's gone forward. That's a lovely, neat pass. Mbappe. Eto'o. Hullet. He won't be happy with that one. David Villa, well seen, saw that coming.
That was well played. well
The attendance
stopped.
for this match
And
was
here's Griezmann.
72,306.
Rummenigge. Good read, needed to be. That's really well manoeuvred. And it's Drogba.
Mbappe, that was lovely, that.
Guardiola. Now that looks a decent ball. Oh, he's bustling for chance! Now, who's going to be first to this? He's having a go! Bullet. Oh, we expected better, and so did he. Pedri. Pedri really struggling to influence the game.
He needs a minder, and one of his teammates should be picking up on that, and quickly.
Oh, this is a great position. Big chance! No mistake! And they've got their lead back.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Number 9.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? It's Eto.
Substitutions taking place.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Messi. Oh, it's a sweet ball, that. Costa Curta. Nicked it back promptly. And here's Drogba. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Now it's Messi. Very much into the last knockings.
Manchester
There will be
United
1
have a
minute
simple
at a time.
task to find something sustained now and keep the pressure on.
And time.